कुटुंब ह्या इव्हेंट मॅनेजमेंट कंपनीन द बेस्ट ऑफ शम्मी कपूर अँड राज कपूर ही संगीताची कार्यावळ दवरल्या। कार्यावळ पणजे, फोंड्या, वास्को आनी सांखळी जातली। ह्या प्रोग्रामांतल्यान मेळिल्लो फंड ते नॅशनल असोसिएशन फॉर ब्लायंडांच्या भुरग्यांक आदार म्हूण वापरतले।
फाटल्या 22 वर्सांसावन एंटरटेनमेंट मळार वावुरपी कुटुंब इव्हेंट मॅनेजमेंट कंपनीन 25 ते 28 मे मजगती द बेस्ट ऑफ शम्मी कपूर अँड राज कपूर कार्यावळ दवरल्या। 25 मायाक कला अकादमीत, 26 तारखेर फोंडेच्या राजीव कला मंदिरांत, 27 मेक वास्को रवींद्र भवनांत, जाल्यार 28 मायाक सांखळे रवींद्र भवनांत कार्यावळ जातली।
We are doing this ticket show. It's available from all the places, from Kala Academy, Rajiv Kala Mandir, and also in Ravindra Bhavan, in all the places where the program show will be on, starting from 100 rupees till 1000 rupees. So I request all the people from Goa to please buy and please do attend for the show.
The main aim behind having this program is we wanted to give little hand to this National Association of Blind, which is in Santa Cruz, and there are around 24 kids who are studying there, and then in that school there are around 4 to 5 kids who has almost reached to third year. So with all so much of efforts and so much of mehnat they have reached there, so we said why not give little part of our program to them, and that was the main aim, to raise funds for them.
सिद्धार्थी गोवान तांच्या एम्प्लॉयींच्या हुशार भुरग्यांची उर्बा वाडोवंक म्हूण तांकां स्कॉलरशीप दिल्या। एम्प्लॉयीजच्या ह्या भुरग्यां खातीर खासा कार्यावळी दवरिल्ली, तांच्या खातीर वेगवेगळे खेळ दवरिल्ले। एम्प्लॉयींच्या भुरग्यांनी शिक्षणांत फुडें सरचें म्हूण सिद्धार्थी कडल्यान हो आदाराचो हात।
This is a program we conduct every year for encouraging our children of our employees who go to school and colleges. SIDA has been doing this for years now. We consider our employees' children as extended family, and we try to support them in their education. So towards that, this is a small step. Every year in the month of May, before the school begins, we distribute. We used to distribute books and bags and different items that are required for the kids. But this year we have decided to give them a gift voucher, so that they can buy the items, books, raincoat required.
घेऊया एक ब्रेक।